Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to change pop-up text plus VAT plus shipping costs on detail page. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Snippets. Now go to Front End. Search the item. Click on Translation Snippet. Copy the plus shipping cost and paste it. Click Save. Go to Content and Shop Pages. Now go to below, Shipping and Payments. Now go to Translation Settings. Fill the text fields. Now save and close. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.